over here, these are big headers. Now these are solid beams and they go on the inside of this 12 by 20. Let me show you. Love that tool. Love that tool. Battery eye screw gun. Hey buddy. Yep. So this is where we build all the walls. We set them here. I use this crane system to set them. These are the windows. Look at this. Isn't that cool? Sorry, so those notches or those beams I just showed you, they fit right inside there. They come across and they actually support the roof. This is a 12-foot wide house, so we got a longer roof span. What I love this look, I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna show you the cleanliness of this trim. Now this is just a metal home, and look how clean those cuts are and stuff right up there. How it fits. I'll get a closer shot here, or a better shot when I go down here. All right. All right, so another invention that we have here, there's a complete walkway around the perimeter of this 12 by 20 home. Now we had it on our 8 by 6